Amal
village.
حياك الله جزاك الله خير.
Let me introduce to you today our guest, Mr. Yunus, who is from United States of America, and he is one of our clients. So let me ask him how he came up with the idea of buying a house here in Garowe at Amal Real Estate. Mr. Yunus, welcome. How did you came up with the idea of buying a house here?
Subhanallah, I've been researching for maybe the past 5 years, roughly. So I looked at different countries, Mali, Cameroon, Pakistan. I've investigated many projects in a few different countries. MashaAllah, this has been the best offer, the best opportunity in the best region. Also, I have connection, obviously, with Somali people. So this project, MashaAllah, has fit all of the criteria that I've looked for in my research, MashaAllah. This Amal village is a very convenient, safe area, beautiful project.
What did you heard about Somalia before you came in?
So obviously the media will try to make Somalia sound maybe a bit dangerous or maybe unclean or something. But in my time here I've spent in Garowe, it's been very safe. The people are very welcoming. It's been good food, good weather. Everything is safe and clean. Wallahi, the roads in Garowe, some of the best roads I've seen outside of USA.
MashaAllah. So you have admired all of it?
Wallahi, I've enjoyed my stay in Garowe very much. I would tell any outsiders, don't fear to come to Somalia. Come. You're safe. It's a great country, mashallah.
What about Somali communities who live in America? What is the message that you have for them?
What I would say to the Somalis in America, spend your money here. You'll spend the next 30 years paying a debt for a mortgage in the United States. 1 year you'll own your house here. Bring your family back to this country, raise your family in a good Islamic environment, halal environment. You know, I know a lot of the communities in the United States that have lost their children, have lost their families. Because not only the debt, but just the environment there is not, it's not good for raising children.
What is the message that you want to?
I would say that you know, as I mentioned, over the years I've interacted with many communities, Pakistani, Bangladesh, Arabs, different. Wallahi, the Somali community has been one of the most friendly, religious, decent, welcoming communities that I've been a part of. Here, my stay in Puntland especially has been entirely welcoming, very hospitable people, mashallah. Garowe as well as the capital here of Puntland has been a very wonderful experience for me, mashallah. So, and as far as Amal village specifically, from the moment I arrived at the airport until this moment here, Amal village has been constantly at my service to make my stay here convenient. Every question I have, they've answered. They offer the people many different payment options to afford this project. It's a wonderful quality of service, wonderful land, wonderful team. Wallahi, just Amal village itself, I would continue to do business with in the future.
Jazakallah khair.
Bi'idhnillah.
Jazakallah khair. Welcome back.
Jazakallah khair.
Once more and more and more, inshallah.
Inshallah, bi'idhnillah.